Hey everyone, it's Mr. Andrew here with a review of the Draco S3 aluminum bumper. This is the midnight blue version. It comes in two separate pieces with screws to screw in on each side and a tool to screw them in with. So I found it easier to put it in on the volume button side first and then follow up with the power button side. And what you do is you kind of slip the screw in there. It's kind of tough to put on, so you'll screw this side in, which removal is kind of a pain if you need to pull the battery or take your SD card out because the back is not accessible from this case. So you tighten it up, but don't over tighten it. You flip it to the bottom and you put the other screw in. I've dropped the other two down the drain, so these are really the only two I have left. They're kind of difficult to put in, but it's really not that bad. So you don't want to over tighten it. So tighten until you can't tighten anymore, and then just kind of secure it in there. And so this is what the S3 bumper looks like. It has inspired by Draco design on the side. You got the metal bumpers, pretty good feedback there. The 3.5mm head jack is accessible there. You got the microphone up here, noise cancellation I assume, and then you got the screw right here, but if you look, it kind of comes out over the top, and I feel like even though I tried every single one of them on the top, I still get this bump. So that's really annoying to me. Some of the people on forums that I saw some separation issues, which I'm really not seeing on this one. So I assume that I got a pretty decent model. Over here is a space for a lanyard or the included charger. And what this is, it's included, and you pretty much take this out, you take this side off, and you plug it into a computer, so you always have a charger on you. So that's actually pretty neat. I like it, but it doesn't charge fast over USB, obviously. And I was never able to feed it through here and have it dangle off correctly. It takes a lot of work apparently, so I'm not really into doing that. But that is the S3 bumper, but there are a few things. If you have a stereo that docks, as you may have seen in a few of my videos, the Philips stereo that I have, docking it doesn't quite make that connection. So that pretty much, the only thing that'll fit in here is a standard micro USB. The one that comes along with it works fine. The one that comes with the phone is fine. The one that's included in the box that you get with this fits fine. The OEM headphones work fine, but I have a pair of Audio-Technica ATH M50s, and when you go to plug it in, it doesn't go in all the way. So if you have some high fidelity headphones, they don't go in properly. So I'll show you guys real quick. Even though it looks like it's in, it's really not. It'll come out the speakers. It's not going through the headphones. It's not reading that it's in properly. So that's kind of bad right there. But yeah, and then it's pretty simple to remove as well. You just take this off the case. Like I said, the back is not accessible. You can't take it off. But yeah, this is the Draco S3 Midnight Edition for the Samsung Galaxy S3. I hope you guys like my review. Like, rate, subscribe if you like, and I will see you next time.